all with Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and I'm here in Premier in Orlando model prepping, and I'm doing a cooler cut. Yeah, I guess the end of the day it does kind of get to these guest artists after a while. I guess I've been sniffing too much sunlights. But nonetheless, when you're taking really long hair like this, I cut a lot with the clippers, and the clippers allow me to get the straightest, most beautiful of lines. But because she has the small in her back, she's got her, you know, if I push this without the cooler, it's going to push in and it's going to not be clean and strong like it would be higher in her back. So where the curvature of the spine goes, you've got to put something in. So for me, I looked around the room, and the very first thing that I found that was nice and straight was the cooler. So now I can just go in and hit right into the straight line there, and it gives me a great surface to cut really nice and smooth and straight. I'm using a Sterling clipper. I'm just going to make sure that her head is not forward, that her head is straight up, and I cut a beautiful, straight, wonderful line. So that's it for the cooler cut here in Premier Orlando. Stay tuned to more tips and tricks with Candy.